A very refreshed morning to you all. So students, are you all ready to begin with our today's class? Or I can say classes, because there are one after the other, many class you have to attend. Don't think it a video. ऐसे मत सोचिए कि मैम वीडियो भेज देती है and we can watch it. No. If you will take this as your class and you do your work timely, properly, then you don't have to run to complete your work in the evening. Isn't it? And in evening you can enjoy your playtime also. Isn't it like that? Yes, it is. So don't think कि अच्छा मैम ने वीडियो डाल दिया हम बाद में देख लेंगे. No. As दीदी, भैया और other students sit for their class, just sit for your class timely. Okay? So let's begin with the class today. So today is 3rd February 2021. And what's the day? Wednesday. Yes, the day is Wednesday. So what are we going to do now? Yes, you all are very good readers, I can say. So can you read what topic I have written here? I have written fruits name. Yes, today we are going to write name of different fruits that we eat in different seasons. Not only in winter, we are going to write the name of fruits that we eat, be that in summer season, be that in winter season, autumn season, spring season, rainy season, कोई भी season हो, but we are going to write the name of some fruits. Okay? Now you will say, ma'am, you have written subject English. We are talking about fruits. Yes, we have done that in EVS. I know we have learned about fruits and vegetables in EVS. But as our topic of work, today we are going to write some names of different fruits in our English notebook. Okay? So shall we begin with the work? Now don't get confused. This work needs to be done in your English notebook only. Okay? Let's begin. So one by one we'll write the name of different fruits. You can write name of your favorite fruits as well, but after learning the spelling. Okay? So let's begin writing the name. Can you tell me the very first fruit which we can write here? Apple. Yes. A-double-P-L-E. Apple. Now, there is one simple option I am giving you. If you want, you can draw the picture of a small apple and can color it also. But I know you all can identify different fruits. So let's write the spellings and learn them. Clear? So first we have written apple. A-double-P-L-E. Apple. Now, next we have is, so which is the next one we are going to write? Yes, banana. B-A-B-Na-na. So how we are going to write? B-A-N-A-N-A. That is banana. Banana. Clear? Apple, banana. Now next, anyone can name any fruit if you want. Next one we are going to write is fast. कुछ तो fruits के name बताओ मैम को. King of all fruits. Who is the king of fruits? Mango. Yes. So we are going to write mango. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Clear? Apple, banana, mango. Now, tell me the name of one more fruit. Can you tell me? So we have apple, we have written apple, banana, mango. Okay, name me one fruit. मैम आपको hints देंगी we eat it. And it has many small seeds. बहुत छोटी seeds होती है, उसमें गोल दाने होते हैं. Just think of it fast. Papaya. Yes. So what is the name of that fruit? It's papaya. P-A, papaya. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. So we have written A-P-P-L-E, apple. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. M-A-N-G-O, mango. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Clear? Now, which is the next fruit? Yes? Okay, a fruit which is green and black in color. Either it is green or black. ठीक है? They are very sweet and sour in taste. Don't have any seeds. छोटे गोल दाने होते हैं. We just pluck and we eat. Yes? Seedless fruit होता है. इसमें seed नहीं होती है. If you will just think of different seedless fruits, एकदम से याद आएगा. Green in color, bunch में आता है ये. There is a story also, the fox and the, what we are talking of? Grapes. Yes. So the next we are going to write is G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Clear? Okay. Moving to the next fruit. It is a fruit which is liked by parrots. जो तोते होते हैं उन्हें एक तो चिली बहुत पसंद है. They eat chili a lot. उसके अलावा there is this fruit which I am talking about, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. ये fruit parrots को बहुत पसंद होता है and they eat it a lot. And it is green and yellow in color. कभी इसकी skin green होती है, कभी yellow. Sometimes it is little hard and sometimes it's soft. छोटे अंदर इसमें seeds होते हैं. और जब आप इसको पील करके भी खा सकते हो और बिना पील करे भी खा सकते हो. Yes, सबसे पहले तो the main thing which I said, parrot को बहुत पसंद है. What is that? अमरूद. Yes, अमरूद. तो अब अमरूद को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Guava. Yes. So how we are going to write that? G-U-A, guava. V-A. So we will say G-U-A-V-A, guava. Say with me. G-U-A-V-A, guava. So we have written apple, banana, mango, papaya, grapes, guava. Clear? So after that, can you tell me name of few more fruits like this? Yes? Okay. Let's talk of a fruit. One, a fruit which is having some pines on it. उनपे कुछ कांटे लगे होते हैं. हम उन्हें पील करते हैं. Again, it is a seedless fruit. Seedless है, लेकिन उसमें कुछ जो बाहर का जो शेल, जो बाहर का वो होता है, उसका पील होता है, नॉट शेल. जो बाहर की उसकी पील होती है, उसमें कुछ पाइन्स होते हैं. जब हम उसे पकड़ते हैं तो हमें चुभता है. And that fruit is having apple in it. उस फ्रूट में एप्पल भी होता है. उसके नेम में, उसके अंदर नहीं छुपा होता, उसके नेम में एप्पल भी होता है और उसमें पाइन भी होते हैं. So which fruit is that? उसमें पाइन होते हैं, एप्पल साथ में होता है. So it's pineapple. Yes. Don't think कि एप्पल फ्रूट साथ में होता है. मैम ने सिर्फ आपको हिंट दिया था कि उसमें वर्ड एप्पल साथ में होता है. So which fruit is that? It's pineapple. Okay. So, can you tell me the name of one fruit? It has many seeds, red in color, but the interesting part of this fruit is इसकी जो seeds हैं वो बाहर की साइड होती है. जनरली देखिए जिन भी फ्रूट्स के बारे में हमने बात की है या तो ये सीडलेस होते हैं, लाइक वी हैव ग्रेप्स, बनाना. अदरवाइज जितने भी फ्रूट्स हैं, पाइनएप्पल इज आल्सो सीडलेस फ्रूट. अदरवाइज जितने भी फ्रूट्स हैं इनकी सीड फ्रूट के अंदर होती है. नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ अ फ्रूट विच इज हैविंग द सीड आउटसाइड. हम उसको खाते हैं. जस्ट थिंक इट ऑफ. रेड कलर का स्मॉल सा होता है, स्वीट एंड सॉर इन टेस्ट. यस, इट बिलोंग्स टू द बेरीज फैमिली. बेरीज की फैमिली को बिलोंग करता है. तो अब जल्दी से बता दो वो कौन सा फ्रूट है. स्ट्रॉबेरी. यस, इट इज स्ट्रॉबेरी. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट? STRAW straw, berries. BERRY, berry, strawberry. Okay. So STRAW straw, BERRY strawberry. Now, one more fruit we are going to learn about. Can anyone tell me what is that? Yes? Okay. से अनार. बहुत फेमसली गाते हो ना. से अनार, आ से आम. So ये जो अनार होता है, what do you call that in English? What we call that in English? Pomegranate. Yes. So how you are going to write? Pomegranate. So how we are going to write? See? P-O-M-E. Pommy. ठीक है? Pommy. Then grape. G-R-A, grape. Pomegranate. And after that, nate. N-A-T-E. N-A-T-E. So don't think a long spelling. Pommy, grape. G-R-A, grape. Nate, N-A-T-E. So it becomes pomegranate. Clear? This is how you will write the spellings and learn them. Understood? So which are the different fruits we have written? We have written apple, banana, mango, papaya, grapes, guava, pineapple, watermelon, strawberry and pomegranate. Clear everyone? So now what you have to do? Today we are going to write all these names in our notebook. Clear? So the same name or the name of all these fruits to be written in notebook. So all of you open your English. Yes, English notebook and let's do the work there. Okay? Class, now open your notebook, English notebook I am saying again and again, and let's see how we are going to write the name of different fruits. Clear? So all of you open your notebook. The first thing that we are going to do is write today's date. So what is the date? 3rd February. Yes, so we will write 3rd February 2021. ठीक है? And mention classwork here. Now, let's begin writing the name of different fruits. Now, don't forget to mention numbers also. So, let us first write the numbers from 1 to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9 and 10 we'll write this side, but let's first write these names. So, the first we have learnt is apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Then we did banana. B-A N-A-N-A, banana. After that we have done mango. So let's write M and go, mango. When you will write these names with the help of their sounds, you will be able to write them without any spelling mistake. Okay? So after mango we have learned papaya. So how you will write that? Pa-pa-ya, papaya. Clear? Then we have done grapes. So let's write that. Gra हो गया. P-E-S, grapes. Clear? After grapes we have done guava. So let's write that. Guava. Like this. G-U-A-V-A, guava. Then after guava we have done pineapple. So let's write that. Pineapple. So this is pineapple. After that watermelon. Water. And with that we will write melon. Watermelon. Clear? After watermelon, next which we learned, which is the fruit we have learned? Strawberry. So let's write that. Strawberry. B-E-R-R-Y. So it becomes strawberry. And last we have written pomegranate. So let's write that. Then we did granate. Clear? P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E, pomegranate. So class, this is how you are going to do your today's work. So you will write the name of these fruits in your notebook. They are apple, banana, mango, papaya, grapes, guava, pineapple, watermelon, strawberry and pomegranate. Clear? So this is your today's class work. Now let's see what is the homework we are going to do today. First homework is you are going to learn them. First you are going to learn them, and after that write again as homework. Clear? So first you have to learn the name of all these fruits. You have to learn the spellings also. That is your one homework, and after that you are going to write the name of all these fruits again on the next page. Clear? Both your homework and classwork? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's work in your notebook, English notebook. Yes. So first do your classwork. After that, please learn them. It's not just write down and finish. No, you have to learn the spellings of these fruits, and they are very easy to learn if you will follow the same way as I have taught you. Pomegranate. I think this is the one which is very long for you, and see how easy it is. जब आप sounds को follow करेंगे और alphabets लिखेंगे, you will able to write the correct spellings. Clear? So finish your work.